Hi.
Hey y'all, we're seasoning steaks. That's what we're doing. Chef Lonnie, he's got the cube steak in there with some lemons. He rinsed it with vinegar. Yup, you can pull it up. Yup, so he's about to rinse it now and then get some seasoning on there. Chef Shauna is doing steak T-bone. Okay, let's get this on. Okay, go ahead and and make sure you strain it. Yep. Excellent. That's great. Okay, great. So now we can switch spots. You can come on the counter because now I have to do this. And you can bring that over here. Because you're going to have to put it on the counter. Because you're going to put your seasonings.
Yeah, I can see my hand.
Okay, you can take off the gloves. Throw them out. Yeah, take them off. You can throw them out. And be careful not to. Okay, take them off. Throw them out. And then
Okay.
anything. Yeah, what you want to season your steak with.
These two.
Oh, okay. So go ahead and put that in your camera.
Yep.
You read it. See.
Biscuit rub seasoning and daddy.
Yeah, you don't have to pronounce that. That's the brand. Just pronounce this part and that part.
Jake seasoning, Jamaican style.
Hey, all right, awesome.
Oh snap.